Friends, we are gathered here in a very sad, losing our companion, Father Kobamba, who was with us in this community for nearly 8 months with his brother and nephew. We never expected this to happen, but today we are here to pray for his soul. It's a sudden death that we are not able to accept it. But at the same time, this is the will of God, and we are here to pray for his eternal peace and rest, and for his family members. I just read out about Kobamba and then about his ministries in different places. And after the gospel, his brother John Beckmans will share about his brother, and it will be translated to us by our Father Sarai. And funeral, we have already, tentatively we have fixed tomorrow evening, 4 o'clock, but we have to decide, we have to get the response from the provincial of province, central province of Africa. So we wait for his final. Kobamba was born in 1967. The young Joseph Kobamba did his secondary studies at the Alpha Juri College in Wakua. In 1987, he entered the novitiate Our Lady of the Way in Rwanda. After his philosophy studies in 1992, he made 1 year of regency at Bolswami College. In 1993, he was sent to the Catholic University of Central Africa, to a Catholic institute for his master's degree in management economics. From 1997 to 2000, he studied theology at Hekimo College in Nairobi, Kenya. He obtained a licentiate in theology in Boston, United States. He was ordained a priest on 9th June 2002 in the Church of St. John the Baptist in Chahid by Bishop Runiga. From 2003-2005, he was the assistant parish priest at the parish of St. Peter Claver Church in Pakua and Barsa and Alpha Jini College community, where he did his school studies. In 2005, he was appointed as a parish priest of the same parish. From 2009 to 2010, he was a disciplinary director and professor at Bolswami College, where he did his regency. From 2010 to 12, he was again bursar and professor at Gubama Kisanto College. From 2012 to 15, he was the director of the development office of the province. He was the PDD of the province. From 2015 to 19, he served for the refugees in JRS. So from there, he came to Chennai on 31st December 2019. He reached here for his treatment. Nearly 8 months he was with us, part of us, part of our community. As you know, he was very quiet, silent, not disturbing as in a simple way he approached all of us, participating in all our common programs, activities, meals, mass, dinner, and other celebrations. Actually, on 31st August, he was talking about how to go back to his province. But God's plan was different. He is just 53. It is too early for a Jesuit to meet the death. But God has different plans. Let us pray that God may give him eternal rest and peace, and shall offer our special prayers to his brother John Beckmans and his nephew Felix, who came forward to donate his kidney, and all his family members and all the Jesuits of ACE province. To celebrate this Eucharist in a worthy manner, let us call to mind our shortcomings and ask pardon of the Lord.
Je suis le grand frère du père Kabamba Kalimbiriro.
I'm the elder brother of Father Joseph Kabamba.
Kabamba Kalimbiriro est le 12e enfant dans notre famille.
Father Kabamba is the 12th child in our family.
Mon père avait fait 21 enfants.
They had 20 children in the family actually.
Donc, il avait 2 femmes.
He had 2 wives.
Donc, la mère qui m'avait mis au monde, celle qui avait mis le père Joseph au monde, était morte en 1973. 1973.
So the mother who gave birth to him also gave birth to Father Kabamba, and she died when she was very young.
Joseph, après son école primaire, vit l'intelligence qu'il avait. Notre père avait été obligé de l'envoyer au collège Al-Fajr de Bukavu. C'était l'école la meilleure de la ville de Bukavu.
Ever since he was a kid, he was intelligent enough. Father Kabamba was very intelligent, so his father, their father, sent him to a school which was well known in the city.
Parce qu'on ne manquait pas de moyens à la maison, toute son école secondaire, à partir de la première année secondaire jusqu'en 6e année, il était à l'internat au collège Al-Fajr. Collège Al-Fajr.
Since you know, they were quite well off, he was sent to a school. I think that is run by the Jesuits in the city.
Bon, quand il était arrivé en 6e année secondaire, nous l'avons vu par surprise venir à la maison, nous dire il veut être prêtre. Donc, il a dans lui la vocation de servir Dieu.
When he was about 12 or 13 years, you know, in our understanding, when he was doing 7th or 8th standard, a priest from the school visited their family, and from him he realized that God was calling him to serve him as a priest.
Et vraiment, toute la famille était très contente et lui a encouragé.
So all of us in the family felt very, very happy for the decision that he was making, and we encouraged him to become a priest.
Après son diplôme d'État, il a été envoyé au noviciat à Tchangoubou où il avait fait 2 ans.
So after his high secondary studies, he went to the novitiate to begin his life as a Jesuit.
Tchangoubou, c'est une préfecture de la République rwandaise.
I don't understand the name exactly. He's saying I think it's probably the capital of the country.
Cyangugu.
Pardon?
Cyangugu.
C'est quoi?
C'est la préfecture
Ah oui, ok.
de la République rwandaise, de la République du Rwanda.
Ah, okay. You went to Rwanda. Okay, you went to another country.
Oui, oui. Après ça, vous avez l'autre histoire, son parcours dans la communauté des pères jésuites que le père vient de vous lire ici.
Okay. So since then, we already heard from the provincial how his life, his life was until the moment he came to Chennai.
Après ça, en 1987, notre père était tombé malade.
In 1987, our father fell ill.
Alors, les pères jésuites sont venus à la maison. Ils ont demandé à la famille qu'est-ce qu'ils voient. Est-ce que nous voulons que Joseph continue sa vocation ou bien qu'il va rentrer à la maison.
So when he was in the sick bed, probably during his last days, the just fathers went to their house and asked their father what he was planning to do with Father Kabamba. Whether their father wanted Father Kabamba to be back in the family or to continue with his Jesuit formation.
Parce que la maladie qui avait attrapé notre père, c'était l'AVC. C'est pas sûr. Il était paralysé.
Ah oui.
Écoutez.
Their father was paralyzed.
Oui. Alors, parce que le papa était encore vivant, nous, on n'avait rien à dire. On avait donné le mot à notre père, qu'est-ce qu'il voit de son fils bien-aimé.
So we completely left our father to decide on what we wanted, he says, beloved, the enemy that is beloved. So what he wanted to do with his beloved son.
Alors le père a dit, je n'ai rien à dire, c'est mon fils bien-aimé. Il a choisi sa vocation et moi j'aime aussi comme il va servir Dieu. En tout cas, je l'encourage de suivre sa vocation.
So the father said, I don't say anything, but I only feel deep within me that he is my beloved son, and I would personally wish that he proceeds with his vocation as a Jesuit.
Chaque fois, quand le papa tombait en coma, le père jésuite venait à la maison. Il demandait à notre papa, est-ce qu'il faut qu'on appelle Joseph là où il est, qu'il vienne? Le papa disait non.
So every time,
Je vous ai déjà donné Joseph, il est à vous, il n'est plus à moi.
every time their father felt very, very sick, continually the Jesuit fathers went back to their family and then asked him if he wanted to get his son back in the family, for which their father replied, no, I have given my son to the society, he is yours. So I don't have any more possession of him in the family.
Donc, toutefois, quand le père tombait dans le coma, le père jésuite faisait tout pour que Joseph vienne, mais le père refusait. Notre papa refusait.
But looking at the condition of the family, probably the Jesuits, wanted Father Joseph Kabamba to think about his vocation and to take care of his father, but still, their father did not want it at all.
Jusqu'à ce que notre père avait rendu l'âme en 1993. 93.
So when, until their father died in 1993, things were more or less like this in the family.
En tout cas, on était bien, très contents parce que on avait vu l'assistance de la communauté des pères jésuites à la mort de notre père. La famille était très contente malgré l'absence de Joseph. Il était encore dans le...
Studies when their father died, my father was outside, so actually he was not able to come for the funeral of his father. But he says, the family was very happy because in the place of Father Kabamba, to replace him in the family, the Jesuit fathers were all there to support us at the time. of their father's death.
Père Joseph, la famille, c'est qu'il avait fait beaucoup pour la famille, surtout quand il y avait des problèmes, des conflits dans la famille, il intervenait pour la réconciliation.
Joseph Kabamba has done a lot to our family, especially when there were conflicts in our family. He was the one who brought us together and brought the reconciliation in the family.
En tout cas, vu sa situation de la vie religieuse, tous les membres de la famille l'écoutaient. Donc, quand il y avait un problème, on était obligé de l'appeler, il écoutait, mais lui, parce qu'il était simple et souple, il disait toujours, moi je ne suis plus à vous, je peux vous aider dans le conseil, mais vous avez vos responsables là. J'ai mes deux grands frères là-bas, ils peuvent vous aider dans vos problèmes. Moi je peux intervenir, mais je ne peux rien dire sans mes deux grands frères.
Yes, you know, when we shared some emotional things about Father Kabamba, so he said, whenever we had some problems in the family, we were obliged to call him because he was someone who used to guide us very well. But at the end, he would say, well, the decision is yours. I have given my advice, I have given my suggestions, but it is you who have to lead your lives. So, you know, we used to give them the freedom to decide for the problems they face in the family.
Moi, je suis le troisième de notre famille. Donc, dans notre famille, il y a d'abord une grande sœur. Après mon grand frère, après le grand frère, c'était moi.
So he is the third child in the family after an elder sister and an elder brother. He is the third one.
Le grand frère était mort en 1998.
1998, the eldest brother passed away.
Nous avons laissé derrière lui 6 enfants,
He left behind him 6 children,
2 garçons et 4 filles.
2 sons and 4 daughters.
Alors la famille s'était occupée de ces enfants parce qu'ils étaient encore mineurs. Moi,
The children were already still, minors, so we had to look after them also.
alors on m'avait pris comme responsable jusqu'à présent de la grande famille Kabamba. C'est moi le responsable jusqu'à présent.
Since the eldest brother is no more and he is the first male child in the family, it's he who is like the head of the family until he's no more.
Oui, c'est ça vraiment, parce qu'il y a tout le temps causé avec la famille à Bukavu. On disait comment nous vivons ici, on parlait vraiment. La famille était très contente de voir comment vous nous prenez ici.
As he is speaking to his family people, since last evening, ever since father left us, all the family members, their relatives, friends, continually thanking us, the Jesuits here, for taking care of Father Kabamba so well.
Malgré le malheur qui vient de frapper votre communauté et notre famille, ma famille m'a dit de vous dire merci.
Despite the pain that was attacked both the Jesuit community here as well as their family, still their family thanks all of us.
Oui, c'était ça. Et moi aussi vraiment, je ne sais pas comment vous dire merci, parce qu'on était bien encadré ici. Et espérons que ce n'est pas la toute dernière fois notre passage ici.
He says, I don't know how to really thank you all for the love that you have shown to all the 3 of us. He says, I never thought that this would be our last stay. Because we're going to leave the school without Kabamba. And he says, we never thought that this would be our last and only stay in India. Anyhow, the situation is so we are facing this situation?
Parce que notre famille, disons, c'est une famille qui fait du business parce que notre père était commerçant et presque toute la famille fait le commerce.
His father, their father, was a merchant, and practically all the male economic members of the family are merchants.
Oui, il faut des voyages, la Chine, New Delhi, Mumbai, et peut-être prochainement, comme nous venons de découvrir le Chennai. Nous avons, avant la mort du père Kabamba, nous avons essayé de visiter un peu la ville. Donc prochainement, peut-être on sera ici dans le cadre de business et on viendra vous saluer ici, peut-être avec quelques membres de la famille qui seront contents aussi de venir vous voir ici et vous dire bonjour.
Well, our week's history to women's is also hopeful. As he said, since most of them are merchants, they want to be, in major journeys to countries like China, places like New Delhi, Bombay. So he says there's some chance of coming back to India for some business purpose. And if only we do that, we will definitely come back to Chennai to see you all, maybe with some other members of the family who come and, ask sometimes this time.
Oui, ce que je vous avais à dire, bon, le père Joseph n'avait pas choisi d'être missionnaire pour y chercher des moyens, mais c'était un appel qu'il avait eu de Dieu. Ce n'est pas parce qu'on manquait quelque chose, non, c'était un appel qui était dans lui.
But Joseph Kabamba personally did not have a plan to become a missionary. But probably God wanted to face a kind of missionary.
C'était ça vraiment, je vous remercie. Nous sommes ensemble. Nous continuerons à prier avec vous. Peut-être demain, il y aura aussi encore un autre membre de la famille qui va remplacer le père Joseph.
Well, with these words, I would like to thank you on my part for all that you have done to Father Kabamba and the heart of the brother. We continue our journey together to pray for each other and especially this moment for the request of the soul of Father Kabamba. We are so hopeful of seeing someone else from the same family who will please Father Kabamba in the future as such as it.
D'ailleurs, j'ai aussi un enfant, le petit frère à Félix. Il fait le droit dans une université chez nous à Bukavu. Il est en 3e graduat. Je pense qu'il a fait déjà la demande. On attend qu'on réponde à sa demande, voir si on va accepter de réintégrer la communauté de Père jésuites.
One of his own sons, who is the younger brother of Felix, is doing 3rd year of his law studies, who already has contemplated the idea of becoming a Jesuit. And he has approached the Jesuits and they are discerning. He is discerning, the Jesuits are also discerning and everything.
Parce que lui aussi, son petit frère, il avait commencé son école primaire à l'école Al-Fajiri, l'école secondaire à Al-Fajiri.
Like Father Kabamba, younger brother of Felix also began his school studies in the same school where Father Kabamba was as a student, run by the Jesuits. Probably, like Father Kabamba, we also drew the inspiration from the Jesuits.
Donc tout dépendra, disons, de la réponse qu'on va donner à partir de la communauté, parce que chez nous, il fait la 3e année graduée. Or, à l'université, chez nous, on fait 5 ans. Il faut qu'il ait, pour avoir une licence, il faut 5 ans. Oui. Oui.
There, the educational system, to get a degree, 5 years of studies is quite from the 3rd year. So probably they have to wait for 2 more years to see what happens at the end of this class.
C'était ça. Donc la faculté qu'il fait, je pense, c'est le droit. Oui,
studying law.
c'est ça. Et la famille continue aussi à prier pour lui, pour qu'il ne recule pas dans la décision de sa vocation.
And we support him also in praying for him so that he is able to get the decision of the assistance.
Je vous remercie.
Thank you very much.
President of Africa and Madagascar, Father Harbato, dear Jabba, greetings and many thanks. I received the news of the death of Kobamba with a heavy heart. This morning I presided at the Eucharist for the repose of his soul. I knew him well. We were both together in philosophy in Kinshasa. He was a year behind me. He will be sorely missed. May his soul rest in peace. On behalf of the Jesuits of JCAM, that is Jesuit Conference of Africa and Madagascar, I am grateful for the kind and compassionate hospitality that you and the Jesuit community, director, minister, members of the community, and their collaborators accorded him during this time of illness and recuperation in Chennai. May God bless you all. Blessings. Varbatha.